Most people buying their first camera make the exact same mistake. They spend hundreds of dollars on the wrong one and regret it within a month. I've been there. So today I tested 5 popular budget cameras back to back, shot real photos, ran the autofocus hard, and I'm ranking them honestly, from worst to best. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is actually worth your money. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. The Canon EOS R50 looks incredible on paper. 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, 4K video oversampled from 6K, dual pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 autofocus zones, and a vari-angle touchscreen. It tracks faces, eyes, even animals. For a dedicated vlogger, this thing genuinely delivers. So why does it last? Because it's priced close to $800 with the kit lens. And Canon's RFS lens ecosystem is still young and expensive. You're paying heavily for video-focused features that casual shooters may never fully use. It's a strong camera, just the wrong tool for someone looking for an all-around budget pick. If vlogging is your whole purpose, reconsider. But for most beginners, the value just doesn't stack up against the rest of this list. Number 4. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R100 is Canon's most affordable entry into the RF mirrorless system. It carries a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, Digic 8 processor, eye detection autofocus, and a sharp 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder, all packed into the lightest body in the EOS R lineup. For vacation shooters and first-timers upgrading from a smartphone, the image quality genuinely impresses. But the missing features are hard to overlook. There's no touchscreen, no tilting LCD, no in-body stabilization, and the 4K mode is heavily cropped to 24 FPS only. In 2024, that fixed screen feels like a real step backward. It's a capable starter camera at a fair price. Just go in knowing its limitations. Great for photos, frustrating for video. Worth considering if mirrorless is your priority. Number 3. Nikon D3500W AFP DX NIKKOR. The Nikon D3500 refuses to die. And honestly, good. It's an older DSLR with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that still produces gorgeous, detailed images with excellent low-light performance. Colors look natural and true to life right out of the camera without heavy editing. What separates it from the pack is the battery life. Nikon rates it at 1,550 shots per charge. That's unbeatable at this price. The grip is comfortable, the optical viewfinder is sharp, and the included 18 to 55mm VR lens is genuinely solid. The catch? No 4K video and limited live view autofocus. It's a DSLR in a mirrorless world, which matters if video is important to you. But for still photography, especially outdoors, the D3500 consistently outperforms cameras that cost significantly more. Hashtag 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 Digital SLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is the smallest, lightest DSLR Canon has ever made, and it still packs serious features: a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, Digic 8 processor, fully articulating touchscreen, and eye detection AF in live view. That flip screen alone makes a massive difference for selfies, travel shots, and casual vlogging. In real-world use, it's simply easy to operate. Colors are accurate, autofocus is snappy in portrait mode, and there's even a built-in microphone jack, a thoughtful addition at this price. The one honest limitation: 4K recording is time-lapse only, not continuous video. So for video-first creators, that stings a little. But as a photography-focused beginner camera with a strong lens ecosystem behind it, the SL3 is incredibly well-rounded and very hard to beat. Number 1. Canon EOS 2000D, Apple, the one that's actually worth it. The Canon EOS 2000D known as the Rebel T7 in the US, is the camera that actually earns your money. A 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, built-in Wi-Fi, and NFC for instant phone transfers, a clear optical viewfinder, and a straightforward layout that never overwhelms a beginner. What makes it special is simplicity done right. Scene Intelligent Auto makes it nearly impossible to take a bad shot. And because it supports Canon's massive EF and EFS lens library, you have serious room to grow without buying a new body. No overheating, no complicated ecosystem, no steep learning curve. It teaches you photography the proper way, through real controls and real results. If you're buying your very first camera and want something reliable that lasts, this is the one. Links in the description. All 5 Amazon links are in the description below. Go check current prices, they change often. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to watch my next video on best camera for travel that fits in your pocket. More details dropping soon. A like takes 2 seconds and genuinely helps the channel grow.